Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can take a screenshot in Windows 11. So guys, it's very simple. By default, a snipping tool is already installed in Windows 11. So all you have to go to start and then type SNIP. Then you can see a snipping tool. Just tap on that. Then you have to click on new and select the screenshot which you want to take. For example, I want to take the screenshot of that logo. So that's it guys, that's how you can take a screenshot in Windows 11. So it's very simple, very easy. And guys, if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.